What's up, everybody? As you can see, I'm at a lake. This is my grandparents' lake house. Unfortunately, the National was on Saturday, and I was not able to make it up. Haven't vlogged in a while. I hope you guys enjoyed my vacation video and my Rocky Hill video. I'm hoping to start vlogging a lot more and like post a lot more and get a lot more content up, you know? I'm hoping to get a lot more like random stuff up, not as much as dirt bikes. Like this weekend we're probably going to be doing a lot of jet skiing. Our sit-down jet ski, however you may call it, because we have a stand-up too, just recently broke down, so we're going to be fixing that today. Hopefully I can get the dog on the jet ski if we fix that. And I got a little bit of GoPro footage to show you guys of the stand-up. Pretty rough day out, honestly. It's a little windy, but it should be awesome. Every day in the lake's pretty awesome, so.
Coda.
First person action. Nothing really that exciting. I'm kind of just, oh fuck. I'm kind of just trying to unclog the self-draining pump. A little behind the scenes action if you ask me. Giving you guys a little treat. Right there. That's where I want it. Up a little up, but